We get these moments, aha moments we call them, where you realize where you've kind of slipped up, and that's the power of this workshop.
This is my squad. In my journey, these are the people that help keep me focused.
Looking at your WW journey thus far, what are you most proud of?
I'm down almost 3 pounds this week.
My name is Jill Canfield, and I rejoined Weight Watchers for the 4th time. My reasons why were just to kind of get a sense of control over my life.
How many of you have ever had an emotional issue that just really messes with your journey? Or a health issue that really messes with your journey? Yeah, and being in this room will help to turn that around.
So my father passed away a year ago. My dad was overweight, didn't take care of himself, he was diabetic. So my big motivation for walking through the door and sticking with this is, I loved my dad, but I don't want to end up like him.
I've had all sorts of struggles and potential roadblocks that could have completely derailed me from this program and from this journey. And one thing that I know that remains constant is that this meeting is here.
How do you maintain a healthy weight loss? I had no idea how to do that. That is what WW taught me 19.5 years ago.
You see people who are really thin and you think they've never had an issue, and they walk in here and then you're like, oh, okay, so there's still that mindset of, you know, they would want to eat everything, they just have to make different choices just like you.
Today's topic is choosing food for reasons other than physical hunger. How many of you only ever eat because you're physically hungry? Thank you for not lying to me, because if that were the case, you never would have needed WW in the first place. Would you all agree with that?
When you come in every week, they have a topic, and a lot of times there are topics that you were thinking about through the week. And also you were there with a lot of other people that are in the same boat as you are. So just coming every week, listening to the topic, listening to other people's issues and problems, kind of motivates you.
I love the fact that WW is really focused holistically on us as people. We're not just a weight on a scale. We are a whole person. We're looking at you.
If you want to come to a family where people support you, they understand you, and they want you to be healthy, come to a Weight Watcher meeting.
How many of you want to have a good, long, healthy life? I hope we all do. And that's what WW does for us.